Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So, I put up a poll recently asking you guys what box I should purchase at the Crate Joy sale. And Smartass Sass was by far the winner. Most of you guys have wanted to see me open this subscription. So I went ahead and I subscribed, and now I have the May 2019 box. This is what it looks like. On the back it says, well-behaved women seldom make history. And then classy, sassy, and a bit smart-assy. So this should be interesting. Smartass Sass clearly is available on Crate Joy, since that's where I mentioned I purchased it. They have several different options. So, Emmy, my cat loves tape and is chewing on some tape right now, you guys. Emmy, come here. So with all new subscriptions on my channel, I pull up their website to learn a little bit more about it, since it's brand new to us, our channel, and to me. So Smartass Sass, what is it? It says get a monthly dose of sass, 5 to 7 full-size items, or a sassy shirt to make you laugh your ass off. And then, so plans start as low as $13.95, and I think that is if you just buy the shirt. So let me click here and go to the subscribe page. Yep, so $13.95 you get the Smartass Sass shirt only subscription. For $32.95 you get the Smartass Sass box, which is what I purchased. And then for $45.95 a month you get the Smartass Sass big box, so you get the box along with the shirt. I went with the option without the shirt because I just do not wear t-shirts. Like, I've seen She Crafty Tracy open this box before, and the shirts are like, you know, they have some kind of sassy thing on them. I just don't wear shirts, like not even to bed, like, and I wouldn't want to get something just for bed anyway. So I got the option without the shirt. So yeah, so that's $32.95. So let's get unboxing and see what is in here. And on their page it does say it ships to select countries from the United States, so you can check out the link. I will leave it down below, of course, see if it ships to you. So when I open it up, this is what I see already dropping stuff. One sec. So it says, Smartass Sass, girls just want to have sun. So I wonder if that is the theme this month. On the inside, it tells you all about the products inside, and on the back it says, thank you for supporting Smartass Sass, for encouraging small businesses, for being awesome as hell. Love, Abby and Kim. So those must be the creators of it. So I'll keep this card right here to reference throughout. And this box looks full of stuff. So the first thing I see is by Masquerade. This is 2 peel-off masks, Rosé All Day, Rose Gold peel-off mask. I love masks, and I've used Masquerade masks before, and I like them. So I'm always happy to get more masks, and this just has me wanting some freaking rosé now. It's like, what time is it? It's like 1:20. Okay. I have to wait a little bit for that, plus I'm on a diet. But where is this? So this is a $6 value. It says, say yes way to rosé. Our rosé gold peel-off mask is made with real 24-karat gold flakes that your skin will drink up in a wink. Package contains 2 rose gold peel-off masks, free of parabens, artificial fragrance, and mineral oil. Awesome. Excited to use that. Sorry, my hair is like slightly wet. I just did not feel like trying it all the way. I just looked in the viewfinder and I look a little crazy. Oh, it looks like we have, what is this? Girls just want to have sun. It's like a drinking cup. So this is a tumbler. Oh, and here's a straw, and I think there might be a top somewhere in here. Yep, here is the top for it. So, and then there's a straw. So yeah, it says girls just want to have sun, like the theme. Sorry, I know it's very reflective. So, and this is the straw that comes with it. So that's nice to have. I'm thirsty. It's got me thinking about rosé and now water. Okay, so this has a retail value of $16. This cute tumbler will keep you hydrated on the beach. You can hold 20 or more ounces and comes with a reusable straw, very important. Be sure to wash the sunny mason jar by hand to keep the teal graphic looking hot. Cool. Next up it says stay shady. I think this might be like a sunglass holder. I don't think there's anything inside it. Let me double check. Nope, there's nothing inside it. So yeah, it says the Stay Shady sunglass case. This case is a value of $10. It says, this Heather Gray case will keep your sunnies looking sharp, protect your glasses from scratches and smudges. Cool, I usually never like leave my sunglasses in a bag, so that's useful to have. I usually don't keep the container they come with, is that bad? All right, next up is Don't Fry Your Ass lotion bar. Keep the sun where it fucking belongs. Why am I acting like I can't curse? I've done it on my channel before. Don't want to get demonetized, but okay. So off your back. I didn't even finish that, but you could read it yourself if you want to. And it says, good stuff. Shea butter, coconut oil, white beeswax, titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, vanilla absolute, Camille. Does that mean vanilla absolute like the vodka? Camille floral water, no fake shit. Guys, that was so weird. My camera just like, the focus was totally off. I don't know when that started, so I won't know until I'm editing, but I was about to show you the soap that comes in the Don't Fry Your Ass container. And I looked up and I realized you could not see me at all. But this bar looks like this. It smells like really familiar. Like a type of food. I don't know. But let's read about this. So the Don't Fry Your Ass sunscreen bar from Badger Face Beauty Supply. This is a dope ass super moisturizing lotion bar imbued with some excellent botanical extracts, chamomile and vanilla, non-nano zinc oxide, and titanium dioxide, because when you're dealing with sun protection, you don't want to fuck around. Intended to have SPF 6 to 11, test it out before you commit to lying on the beach for hours, okay? Yeah, I need more SPF than 6 to 11, but I mean, this will add a little bit more, I guess. Yeah, in Florida, I need like SPF 50 even in January. That's really crazy. I'm so paranoid about my camera now. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, is this a deck of cards? That would be awesome. I'm like, if you see me like looking, I'm just making sure it works. Yeah, awesome. This is some cards. So this is like the Joker card. So sarcastic card deck from Smartass Sass. We are beyond excited about this fully customized sassy deck of cards. These colorful cuties will inspire hours of fun or a quirky art piece. Each numbered card features a different hilarious phrase. P.S. does contain profanity. That's not surprising. I think everything does in here. $15 value. That seems like a lot for cards, but I guess they're personalized. I don't think I have any cards here. I think I did, but it wasn't a full deck, so I like tossed it. So I definitely need these. This will be fun. I just want to see what they say. I keep pulling out like the Joker. Okay, the ace doesn't have any anything on it. Oh, here's the two of spades. Says, I may not be able to turn water into wine, but I can turn ice cream into breakfast. So they're cute cards. That's cool. Next up, looks like this is some Post-its. I have so many notepads, you guys. I was collecting them all the other day. I don't need any more, but let's see what this says. It says design number 1, collectible sassy stickers by Smartass Sass. It says don't be a prick, and then it has a cactus on it. So that's kind of cute. And it looks like they're Post-its, so they're sticky, so that's cool. I don't have too many Post-its actually. And this is a $3 value. It says keep track of your to-dos and remind yourself or others to check the attitude. Printed on a Post-it brand 3x3 pad, includes 50 sheets. Cool. Ooh, a koozie. Don't mind if I do. I have a few koozies here. I like these. This one's super cute. There's like little seahorses on it, and I like the blue. It says this is from Cinder and Salt. You don't have to live in the sea to drink like a fish. Can coolers are made with polyfoam and are printed with hand sewn in Cinder and Salt's low impact print shop. $6 value. I really like this. Super cute. And then I think we have one more thing. And this is a tote bag. And it says too hot to handle. I like the design. So it has like palm leaves and stuff like that. I like the green. And there is a zipper on top, so a zipper closure. This is good for like going to the beach and stuff to keep everything in here and not falling out and stuff. are going to the pool. See, it's like super spacious in there. I like this. Let's see how much this costs. So this is $18. It says this cotton bag is 15 by 17.5 inches for toting all your summery stuff. It's the same kind of tote used for last year's summer box with a fresh design. Cool. I like it. It's definitely a bag I would use for the beach or pool. Like when I don't want to bring one of my nicer bags and I need a bag that can hold more stuff. I like this. So let's go over everything because this was the last item. So we got this bag. And I'll add up the total at the end too, just so we can see like what we paid for versus the total value. We have the mask, the set of 2 masks. I love face masks, especially sheet masks, so that's awesome. The koozie, the don't mind if I do koozie. The glasses case that says stay shady. Don't be a prick little notepad. The deck of cards. I'm honestly probably the most excited about this. The Don't Fry Your Ass body lotion, which does not have high enough SPF for me, but I'll take any. And then the girls just want to have sun, little 20-ounce tumbler, which I am excited about as well. And I think that was everything. So let me grab my phone and add up the total of this box. All right, so it looks like the total is $82.29. Sorry, I just said this in a video I filmed yesterday. My phone is so dirty, I need to clean it. And I paid what, like $33? So that's good value. I'm trying to think. So I will use pretty much everything in here. I will definitely take advantage of this bag for like pool days and stuff like that. The mask, of course. I don't always keep my glasses in something, but this is really lightweight and stuff. I feel like I will actually use this glasses carrier, especially if I'm like using a big beach bag and stuff like that. It'll make it easier to find them in there as well. I love the koozie. Definitely will come in handy soon. And I said the mask already. The tumbler, yes. Cards, definitely I need those. Like I have way too many notepads, but this is only a couple dollars and it's cute, so whatever. And the lotion bar is like okay. So yeah, I think this is good. You know, this actually exceeded my expectations. I don't know why I thought like I'd get some stuff that was like a little bit cheesy or something that I wouldn't really use. But I think not getting the shirt and paying less money, like because the shirt is something I wouldn't use, like this made it more worth it to me. So you guys have to let me know. Do you want to continue seeing this box on my channel? Please leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, because if you like it, I will continue. So please let me know. I think this overall is a good box, and this is making me really want to like do something fun and summery and like outdoors. So that's a good feeling. But anyways, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.